I was like, dude, that's my applesauce. And he was like fighting me back with his piece of salami, and it was like, what? Hey dude, what's up?
You called?
Yeah, I did. Where are you, man?
I'm in Disneyland.
Disneyland? Awesome.
I was shaking Mickey Mouse's hand and was so excited. But I couldn't call you back.
Yeah, dude, I just went to Chuck's Mart and I bought this cool washing machine. Yeah, because my mom gave me a lot of the green stuff. Anyways, so what do you say about that?
Okay, cool. Wait, dude! Goofy's eating Pluto! I gotta go, bye!
See you later. Okay, you told me that this thing works if I rub my button, then dance to it, then start making freaky faces at it. Awesome. What the hell is happening? Holy crud.
It is me! It is me! Magical wishing washing machine!
Oh my god, it is real. I am so amazed.
Well, I should thank you, citizen. For that I give you one wish.
Okay, wishing washing genie, if you truly have powers and you're not just a hobo sleeping on my washing machine, I want a sombrero, a Mexican one.
Put it on high and then dance to the beat.
Holy crud, babies. Well, take it out.
Am I not amazing?
Wishing washing machine genie, I can see your sombrero summoning powers. Now, let's give you a more difficult task. I want a light bulb. I want 2 pairs of shoes. I want socks and a tea set.
It is done. Now, we turn the two off. We open the hatch.
Take the things out. The scrappy hobo thinks he can a shoe, but I wanted 2 shoes.
Be amazed, mortal.
Another shoe? Wish.
And a tea set.
A tea set? Like I used to have when I was 15. So happy. A light bulb? Oh my gosh. This is truly magical.
Now you only have one wish.
What about the socks?
You didn't ask for socks.
I did ask for socks.
Be amazed, because I have the power to change the wish. My banana flare!
Oh my cranky bananas. That is one awesome wish. I am so happy.